Now next thing is we have to write the related work. Remember, related work means related to this topic, what work that has been done as of now. So we have to cite some papers in this. So in this related work, they have given many models like this. See, it has been discovered that different calculations and techniques, for example, linear, and here it requires technically a little bit skill, because it is a little bit difficult to change the sentence, because they are technical terms. Majority of these sentences we can change only when we understand those terms. Example, k nearest neighbors is a unsupervised machine learning algorithm. K-means algorithm, we can change it to k nearest neighbors to k-means, like that SVM, and when they give support vector machine, it is also a unsupervised machine learning algorithm, a last supervised machine learning algorithm. So we can write one, two. Okay, now we will take one paper. We will try to write the related work. So we will start from here. Deep learning models are used to optimize the plant disease detection and describe a hyperspectral image. What is the title of transfer learning based deep ensemble neural network for plant leaf disease detection? Transfer learning based deep ensemble. Deep learning models are used to optimize the plant disease detection and describe a hyperspectral image benefits on the different scales of the plant production and plant disease detection. Proposed a technique to examine most relevant plant disease identification by using a fine-tuned pre-trained model, IPM, and a Bing test dataset. Okay, from here you can write. We cannot change this name because he is the person who proposed that model. Lee et al. Here, Lee et al. Proposed a technique to examine the most relevant plant disease identification by using a fine-tuned and pre-trained model with IPM and Bing test datasets. Lee et al. Implemented the plant disease detection by using two datasets. This is IPM, second is Bing test. You can copy in the Quillbot, and parallelly you can change the sentence like this. When we are writing the literature survey, this part is called as a literature survey. This is introduction. This is also called as a literature survey or related work. Literature survey or related work. So presently we are doing the literature survey. We are expecting the introduction for different papers. So example, we are expecting the introduction for the super resolution followed by classification. So in this, we take the introduction from the super resolution papers, and also we take the introduction from the plant leaf disease detection papers. And similarly, now we are doing a different kind of works in that. Example, denoising followed by super resolution, or denoising followed by object detection for plant leaf disease detection. Okay, this is how some topics we can take, and for this we can write the introduction related to denoising, and we can write the introduction related to object detection, and finally we can combine denoising followed by object detection. Here in this paper we are using, it is a novel technique like that. And in the literature survey we can write what are the recent techniques they have been used for the denoising, and what are the different object detection techniques which are being used now. You can quote that. If you read 1, 2, 3 papers, you can understand. This is how we can write the introduction and literature survey.